My name is Alexandra Arango Giraldo. I'm 19 years old. I like to sleep and listen to music. I live in Villahermosa, Tolima. I live with my husband and my daughter. I study public accounting. My hobbies are shopping, listening to music, and sleeping. The recipe: pepperoni pizza. Ingredients: tomato, 1 pizza max, mozzarella, pepperoni, grated cheese, salami, oregano. Preparation: Step 1. First, on the mass, we spread a layer of tomato paste with the help of a knife. Step 2. Then we place a layer of mozzarella. Step 3. Layer we cut 20 slices of pepperoni and uniformly distribute it. Step 4. Afterwards, add a few pieces of salami. Last of all, we sprinkle grated cheese and oregano to our taste. Step 5. Finally, we bake 14 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees and ready.